All right, done. So this guy's whole argument is that old online business models like dropshipping are dead because you're too late to the party. The new gold rush is creating and selling digital products because AI has removed all the old barriers. Exactly. Ebooks, planners, templates, courses. The best part is you create it once and can sell it forever with no inventory. He calls it a slot machine with unlimited spins. That's the most important part of his strategy. You don't guess. Before you even think about making a product, you validate the idea to make sure people are already buying something similar. He shows this insane trick using the Facebook ads library where you can see what your competitors are spending money on. If an ad has been running for months, you know the product is profitable. It completely removes the risk.
People wouldn't keep spending money if they weren't making money back.
Yep, and you don't spend months on it. You use AI to create a simple minimum viable product, like an ebook, in a few hours. He calls it the rapid testing methodology. The goal is to get proof of concept quickly without falling into a perfectionism trap. This was the other genius part. It's a strategy he calls influencer arbitrage. You find micro-influencers who have a loyal audience but aren't making much money. You partner with them on a commission-only basis to promote your product. That's the best part. You don't pay them anything upfront. You only pay them their cut after the sales have been made. It's literally a zero-risk way to get your first customers.
Unlike all these other gurus out there, I'm never going to try to encourage you to take massive risks.
Yep, it's a completely different way of thinking about making money online. You basically find a proven idea, create it with AI, and then use other people's audiences to sell it for you with zero risk. No problem. Now, about that dinner. So, for a detailed and actionable PDF version, please see the link in the description. Well, that's about 37 minutes saved. See you next time.